Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Elisam binti Muhammad Zaini with matrix number AA190210. So today I'll be presenting about our final project, which is a smart dustbin. So let's move to another slide. So before I start, I would like to introduce to our group member and also the team role for each group member. So the first one, the team leader, who is Siti Asia binti Ismail, and the second one is the hardware designer, Leva Berlin, the daughter of Sina Pachai, and the third one is the programmer, Nur Shahira binti Muhammad Saleh, and the last one, Nur Aizam binti Muhammad Zaini, who played the role as a report and analysis. So for the project background and the problem statement, um, this project is to implement a smart dustbin built on a microcontroller based platform Arduino Uno board, which is interfaced with ultrasonic sensor and servo motor, where the lid of the dustbin will automatically open itself upon the detection of a human hand. So the new system will upgrade the current websites to provide customers and employers customized browsing of the product catalog and the ability to complete product order online. Also, in this project, the innovation of a smart dustbin which will help to reduce overflow garbage or waste pollution along with the enhancement of a smart city vision. So the issues of overflowing garbage or waste required an immediate attention. So regarding on that, the idea of a smart dustbin invention has come up to overcome the problems that occur and still happening. So in recent years, the rapid growth of population in the globe can lead to more waste disposal. So the proper and smarter waste management system is importantly necessary to avoid the overflowing garbage or waste pollution from keep happening. So we use to live in cleaner, safer, and better world as our theme for this smart dustbin project and has been used to conceptualize in this project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shaira binti Muhammad Saleh with matric number AA192087. So I would like to present about the flowchart. So as you can see from the start, then it will repeat. Okay, check whether person is near to dustbin. It is when any person reach near to the dustbin, the lid of it will open automatically. Okay, so it will repeat when any person near to the dustbin. Then it will turn on the motor and check whether dustbin is full. If not, no, the green LED will turn on, and it will repeat until the dustbin is full. Okay, as soon as the garbage inside the dustbin is reach the full level, a buzzer will turn on, and also it will turn on the red LED until it's empty again. This will send message to control room and then send a cleaning vehicle for picking the garbage. And then after the garbage inside the dustbin is empty, it will turn on the green LED and it will repeat and repeat. Okay, so that's all.
Okay, so right now we will take a look at the cost analysis table. Below, we have listed all the hardware components that we use in this project and the price per unit itself. There is 11 components that we use in this project, from the Arduino Uno, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, GSM module, PIR sensor, breadboard jumper wires, LED module, buzzer, infrared sensor, and Max 232. So here is the price for each component per unit itself. So the total of the all the components are 385 ringgit and 35 cents. So from the table above, we have listed all the components that we use in this proposed project of Smart Dustbin. All the prices of the components are based on the price in current market. So the total cost to produce one Smart Dustbin is RM 385 ringgit and 35 cents. So that was only the price for one product, and the price is not including the variable cost. So to find the total cost of the production and the quantity, we can use this formula, which are the total cost equal to the fixed cost plus variable cost times output. So from the formula, from that, we can get the price of one product, which is we can set the fixed prices or the retail prices of the smart dustbin, and users can purchase this proposed smart dustbin using the retail prices.
Hi, hello, my name is Deoban and I will be explaining about the schematic diagram and the circuit diagram for the smart dustbin project. So as you can see here, we are using a voltage source of 9 voltage, then we're using a Arduino board, then we're using our ultrasonic distance sensor and the micro server. So the simple application of this diagram is that the power is supplied from the 9 voltage power supply. Then this micro server so this micro sensor, which is our ultrasonic distance sensor, detects the distance of someone when someone is standing in front of them. So before we even want to throw, it will detect that our distance in a limited distance, like for like 2 meters or 1 meter, like that. Then it will send the impulse sense to the micro server, which will trigger the dustbin to open, the lid to open. So the lid opens and we can throw our our rubbish inside. So to make this whole system circuit to work, you have to enter a code, and this is the code. First we have to enter the server code so that the server will trigger from the Arduino board, and we do as below. With the delay of 15 seconds, so when the lid opens, there will be delay of 50 seconds before it closes back. So that's what this coding for. Then there's a void loop. We have a loop, we implemented loop, and yes, change, and yeah, you calculate the distance, which is about, so this coding has some delay because it needs some measurement times, so time for measure, and that's how it is. And after the measurements after the measurements are complete, then the sensor will send the signal to the micro server to open the dustbin. And this is the whole sum of the coding. We'll start the simulation. It will start. This is just a simulation because we couldn't do the prototype as we couldn't buy the stuff, but this is how the simulation will be. When there's a sensor, they will switch here from neutral, it goes to switching.
Okay, I will continue for the brief discussion. Alright, with increase of population, the scenario of cleanliness with respect to garbage management is degrading tremendously. In city, there are many public places where we see that garbage bins or dustbins are placed but are overflowing. This creates an hygienic condition in the nearby surrounding, also creates ugliness and some serious disease. At the same time, bad smell also spread, and it also degrades the valuation of that area. To avoid such situation, we come up with a project called Smart Dustbin, which is a GSM-based garbage and waste collection, bins overflow indicator system for smart cities. As people are getting smarter, so are the things. While the talk come up with a smart city, there is a requirement for smart waste management. The idea of smart dustbin is for the smart buildings, college, hospitals, and bus stands. Smart dustbins is a new idea of implementation which makes a normal dustbin smart using infrared sensors for garbage level detection and sending message to respective municipal authorities updating the status of the bin using GSM modem. So this project also include a green LED to indicate the dustbin is empty and a red LED to indicate the full condition. As the as soon as the garbage inside the dustbin reach as the approximate level of 19% of dustbin, a buzzer will turn on. Also, the red LED will be turned on until it's empty again. So, till the dustbin is empty again, the lid will not open so that no one can throw garbage into it and create mess. So that's all.
Okay, so right now we will move to the commercialization of our smart dustbin. So as we know, global smart dustbin is growing rapidly during the forecast period. So below are the few major driving factors of our proposed smart dustbin market. So the first one is the touchless smart dustbin offer convenience and preventing cross-contamination of germs. Secondly is the product innovation and technology improvement. Third, smart cities and efficient waste management system. Last but not least, increased use of wireless connecting devices and Internet of Things (IoT). Okay, right now let's look at the more detail of commercialization of our product. So, as we know, smart dustbin that we propose in this project has met all the requirements of the current market. Because of the innovation that we've made in this proposed smart dustbin, we guarantee that users will get maximum satisfaction that our smart dustbin has provided. So, following the trend of smart dustbin market, the proposed smart dustbin will surely enter the market with differentiate offerings. Besides, this product will have small and private label players which increasing their presence in the global smart dustbin market. So this proposed smart dustbin comes with special added value, but the price is still reasonable in line with the current market. So as the changes happen in people lifestyle nowadays, this product will be more convenient and fit users' preference as well. Right now, let's look at the target market of our proposed smart dustbin. So the target market of our smart dustbin would be mainly the North America, Asia Pacific, Europe, and all over the world. So the smart dustbin market on geographic segmentation covers various country and region. So as decided, each geographic market is further segmented to provide market revenue for selected countries such as United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, China, India, Japan, and other GCC countries. Such this smart dustbin is needed by developing countries that has busy cities. So we believe this proposed product will solve the problem of waste management in urban areas and suitable for home and office uses. So with the reasonable prices suitable to all condition, user and environmental friendly, this proposed project of smart dustbin is a highly must-have product for every countries, cities and communities.
So to summarize the overall project, basically, this is a simple but then a useful project that called Smart Dustbin using Arduino, and it has been designed and developed here. So this project is the innovation of a smart dustbin, which will help to reduce overflow garbage or waste pollution, along with the enhancement of a smart city vision. So we know that the issue of overflowing garbage or waste required an immediate attention. So that's why our group are making this smart dustbin to overcome this problem. So in this project, the lid of the dustbin stays closed so that the waste is not exposed, especially to avoid flies and mosquitoes. And when you want to dispose any waste, it will automatically open the lid. It also helps people to manage waste easily and help them to reduce the work of calling for a specific person to make the area clean and makes a healthier environment to live. So there won't be any kind of diseases, and the people will fit and are not prone to disease because of these waste materials. So this system assures that cleaning of dustbins soon when the garbage level reaches its maximum. So it will take a power supply with the help of battery. So if the dustbin is not clean in a specific time, then the record is sent to the sweeper or a higher authority um, who can take appropriate action against the concerned contractor. So it ultimately helps in keeping the surroundings clean, and the waste management can be so much easier. So with this innovation in waste management system, smart dustbin will enhancing the operational efficiency, while at the same time reducing management costs and resources, which is a positive approach to reduce expenditure. So in other words, reducing management costs is a corrective way for further economic application in factors of production. That's all from our group, and thank you.